Hey everyone, this is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures. Hey! So as you can see, this is a box and this is going to be an unboxing. And I'm super excited, not only because this is a new diamond painting, but because this is the start, get ready, drum roll, of a new collaboration. And Mindy's Diamond Moment makes fun of me because I have potentially 3 collabs going on this spring, but oh my gosh, I love all of these 3 people and could not say no. So this unboxing and this collab announcement is, I have been waiting for this person to ask me, and she did, and I'm like, oh, I'm starstruck. So, are you ready? The collaboration is with Elizabeth Insley. Oh my goodness, OMG, right? Elizabeth is phenomenal, and she's back on the scene. She's kind of chilling with life. She's getting it done. And I just love her to death. And so she reached out to me and said, I have this idea to do a collaboration and I want to invite you on it. And so the collaboration, the history behind it is Earth Day. So this coming, by the time you see this, it's going to be April. Earth Day is right around the corner. And she wanted to celebrate our Earth and just taking care of it. And I was like, you know what better way than to collaborate together? So then we had to pick out something to work on. And guess what we did? We turned immediately to Amy Reed over at crystalcanvas.usa, and look what she has. Isn't that unbelievably perfect for Earth Day? Oh my goodness, you've got the sun, you've got the trees, you've got the sky, and it's crystal. It's a 40 by 60, and we're going to open it today. So we are both doing the same design, and we want to welcome you to reach out and go over to Amy's site at crystalcanvas.usa. And I'm sorry, US, not USA. Oh my goodness. You'll be like, that's not the correct site. Sorry, I'm off screen. I'm trying to keep my address at bay. So, because I didn't cover it up like I normally do. So, are you ready? Oh my goodness. It has 27 colors. And I love how big the key is. Like, I don't need my glasses for that, right? And that's gorgeous. Beautiful. Okay, so the reason I have you on this angle is I wanted to be able to show you things up close, and if I have you across the way, it's really hard for me. Okay, so I'm going to turn this upside down. Probably hearing a lot of canvas noise. We'll get to the canvas in just a minute. Okay, so her toolkits are pretty standard. You get a standard pink pen, single placer. You get your 1 square of wax. You do get just like normal tweezers, okay? And then you get this interesting square tray. Now, I have not used this because it's hard for me to put it back into the container. But if you look here, it has right there 2.5 millimeter on this side, and then the bigger ones, let me see, 2.8 millimeter right there. Now, I want to do a side note that I know a lot of people are very excited about diamond dots exploding into Joann fabric. That's amazing. And they have, some Joann fabrics have a really big display of extra drills. I would not buy them unless you need them for diamond dots, or unless you know your canvas round is the larger size. This just helped me remember because diamond dots does have a larger size, but we'll talk about that later. But anyway, this way, if you have squares or if you have different shaped rounds, that's in there. So we're going to put this back in our plastic bag. Okay, that's going to go over there. And then these are the crystals. Okay, so there's going to be some crinkle, so sorry, it's like Christmas to me. All right, look at these beautiful colors, people. Oh my goodness. All right, and they're all in order, okay, but I'm putting them out of order because I want to look at these colors. Okay, so how fabulous. Oh my goodness, this is like a royal blue. Orange and red. This is like an amber color. Oh, my favorite color. This is like my favorite color of all time. I don't know if it's going to show up well on the camera. But, oh, you got some aqua. It's like another darker color. You got some yellow for that sun. Oh my goodness. And the colors just go on and on and on. But I'm going to leave them in the bag. Crinkle, crinkle. I'm going to put these back. Now, with the crystal being in bags, I normally don't work out of bags. And I've tried to work out of them before. Just a second. I got to stop talking. I'm crinkling. It's a bad habit I have to talk and crinkle at the same time. But I will show you, I like to use these. This is my leftovers from my orange Gerber daisy. I put them back in the bags when I was done. But I like to use these for the crystals because normally a full bag of crystals will fit in here. Or if not, like this has 27 colors and there's 28 containers in one of these. I just took some of the containers out to put these baggies in for right now. And also I like to be able to look at all the colors. So I'll either work out of the baggies. Oh, my big hands there. I'll either work out of the baggies or I'll work out of one of these. Okay, now let's look at this canvas. All right, it is poured glue. And I'm going to lift you up to kind of look at it so we can get an up close and personal look. Okay, so now these wrinkles are just in the plastic, not in the actual canvas. And let's get a close-up look. Look at how clear and vibrant those symbols are. Like, just phenomenal. Like, there's no doubt in anyone's mind what those symbols are. Like, even the D, let me find my finger here. Where's my finger? Even this D, you can tell it's a D and not an O. The G's, super clear. So yeah. So this is going to be so much fun to work on, and I would love if you guys worked on it with us. Yeah, so here, sorry about the glare, but isn't that just beautiful? Oh, I can't wait. And it's a 40 by 60 crystal, and crystals are round. Put you guys back down. So crystals are round, but it's just gorgeous. It's absolutely gorgeous, Amy. You picked a phenomenal canvas here. And her slogan is Glimmers, Shimmers, and Shines. She has the little diamonds on the corner. She's got her crystal art up here on the top. A paint by number concept with her little diamond. And then, of course, crystalcanvas.us. So definitely go check Amy out. I love my orange Gerber daisy from her. I also have a Christmas one that I got, but I'm going to wait more closer to Christmas. The sticky is great, and I can't wait to dive in. So thank you so much. Please jump on the bandwagon with Elizabeth and I. We have amazing things planned. I'll give you a little hint as to what one of them is, because we both love the Golden Girls. So we're going to do some Golden Girl trivia, some Mad Libs. We're going to have a giveaway. Amy has gifted us with one canvas for each channel. So each channel will have a Amy canvas, a crystal canvas.usa giveaway. And we also are going to have some little giveaways, because we're going to do donations for the earth. And what does that mean? Well, Elizabeth is going to help explain that, and as soon as she explains it on her channel, I'll be able to explain it better on my channel. But we have some little cover minders and necklaces and things like that, just little goodies along the way to make it fun, exciting throughout the whole time that we're doing this collaboration. So we love you so much. We can't wait for you to join us, and I'll have more details down below as to the time frame. We hope to start April 1st and go through approximately April 22nd, so that's about 3 weeks. But we're going to start working on this right away and see where it takes us. So love you all. Take care. Be blessed. Bye-bye.